Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add a background video in your body tag or in your website. So this is very useful feature. So let me show you a quick demo and then we will write a code from scratch. Okay, so this is a body content and this is a background. Okay, so to make this we need one background video and yeah, that's it. We don't need anything else. Okay, so let's write a code, but we need a jQuery. Okay, because I'll do by a jQuery plugin with jQuery plugin. So for that we need a script tag, and script tag should be close. Let's close this one and put src, and let's put jQuery cdn like this. jQuery cdn. Why my network is so slow? Yeah, here it is. So here is a jQuery 3 point something. So let's copy this CDN link. Let's copy and paste it here. Okay, and little bit zoom out. Yeah, and we need one video. Okay, so I'll use the same video, which is this flower grace. Okay, so this video is here. Let me C drive XAMPP htdoc. I'll use from my previous previous project. So this PHP tutorial, and here is a sample video.mp4. so let's copy and paste. This is, I'm working on this project. Okay, so you can put here. So this sample video.mp4. okay, we will use this, and just simply here in a body tag you just put a data with bg. Okay, you can put this attribute data with bg and equal to, and in a double quotation you can put a path of your video. So sample 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 video dot mp4 like this. Okay, if you have another video file you can put this way. This is a path of your video. Okay, so when you run this application it will not work. Okay, so let me show you. Localhost, and here, okay, localhost, and our project name, I don't know, my project name is this one. Okay, so currently it's showing anything is here because we don't have this plugin. Let me show you this plugin. I'll give a link in a video description. Okay, you can come here with. My network is so slow. Okay, so here is a plugin. Okay, I'll use. So go to dist, and you can download just minified file. Click and go to raw, and let's okay, let's copy all the code and make the another file inside your project. With plugin jQuery plugin dot js of something, and let's drag this and drop it here. Where is that file? Yeah, here. Drop it here. But why it's not coming here? Yeah, now okay, and paste that code like this. Okay, so it has a MIT license, so you can use it. Okay, and let's close this one, and that file we need to include here. A script, and script should be closed, and here is the src and our file name, which is with jQuery plugin.js. Okay, So let's run our application. Okay, it's nothing showing because our body, which is this body, doesn't have width and height. So let's define width and height in a CSS. I'm using internal CSS and body, and yes, body, it's width and height. Width width is 100% and height is 100%. So let's check. But it's not showing. Okay, so don't worry, I'll check a code. Width and height is 100% and data with bg minus bg. Okay, the attribute is also is good. Sample with video.mp4. Let me check a file name. Sample video, this one, let's copy, and sample video. Yeah, it's okay, it's there's no problem. Okay, let me put it HTML as well. HTML, Control S for save, and yeah, here it is. Okay, so now it's working, but you can see this is a scroll bar in a X position, so we don't want this one. For that, just overflow X is hidden. Control S for save and refresh. So the scroll bar on X position, X direction has gone. Okay, so let's put some content here. H1 and hello video background video, background video. Control S for save, and when you refresh, is here, your content is here. Okay, so you can style this text, okay, whatever you want. Okay, so pretty easy to work with video background video in your website. So just use this plugin. If you need a background video, you can use this plugin with jQuery plugin.js. Okay, so everything I have taught you. If you have any questions and doubt, you can write a comment. I'm here to help you. Okay, and if you like, please give a thumbs up and press the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.